Ay! Ulit nga, besh.
Hindi.
Hindi nag-video. Guys, golden. Kakantahin namin ni Athena. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Kanta kami.
Kami.
Golden.
Okay.
I was a ghost. I was alone. A dream. Was me. Given the truth, I didn't know how to believe. I was the queen that I meant to be. I lived two lives and real vibes outside, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, 'cause I got too wide. But now that she's forgetting fate, knows that I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming how we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up the sun of morning. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, 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 a little boys. Gonna be golden. I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. There's no lies that do I'm gonna be. To break this world song and God be like me. Put these patterns all the fast now and find love like you'll see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are